Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. Today, I am going to share a very useful tip of restoring your deleted Instagram posts or Reels. After watching this video, you can easily restore Instagram deleted posts, Reels, or stories which you want to restore. So let's start the video. First, you have to open Instagram app, then go to your profile and then click on three dots at the right upper corner. Here, open your Activity tab. Now scroll down and open Recently Deleted. As you see, there is no recently deleted post, so I will delete the post first and then I will show you how to restore. Now again, go to Activity tabs, then Recently Deleted, and here is the Recently Deleted post. Click on three dots, tap on Restore, and again tap on Restore, and the post is now restored to your post feed. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next one.